Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change store currency on Shopify. If you want to claim the current best deal of $1 for the first 3 months, check out the link in the description below. To change your store currency, the one in which your customers transact, go to your store admin, tap on the settings, then general. Scroll down to the store currency section. If you haven't made any sales yet, you can still change your currency and simply select it from the drop down. If you already have at least one order even unpaid, you can change the store currency yourself. You need to contact Shopify support and ask them for help. It's quite a straightforward process and should take just a few minutes. To change the display price format, go to the settings, then general. Scroll down to store currency section, then change the formatting. Now, change the currency per market. If you are using Shopify markets, you can also change a transactional and display currency for each of your markets or countries. To set it up, go to store admin, tap on markets, select a desired market, products and pricing, and select the base currency from the list. Make sure the option shows prices to customers in their local currency is checked. You can also adjust the price to be increased or decreased compared to the product price in the base currency. Unfortunately, you can control the price formatting for other currencies. This can be done manually by editing the theme code. Now, change the payout currency. Payout currency is the currency in which you receive all your payments from Shopify. To change it, go to Store Admin, then tap on Payments and Banking Information. You can also set the payout in multiple currencies if your store location supports that, but you need to own different banking accounts. Then, change Shopify billing currency. Billing currency is the currency you are charged each month for using the Shopify service and any third-party apps. The example in this video shows a Shopify bill in USD. You can see all your billings and invoices in the billing section of your store. Tap on the settings, then click on billing. It's the only type of currency you can change, and it's always USD. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.